Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in mathematics, we are going to be looking at everyday statistics. Okay? Today's lesson in mathematics, it's on everyday statistics. So are we ready for the lesson? We are with our books and our pens or pencils to get into today's lesson, right? Okay, that is good. Under today's lesson on statistics, we are going to be looking at pictographs and mean, median, and mode, okay? When we talk about statistics, it's about collecting data. It's the idea of collecting information or data. Those data can be your favorite fruits, colors, pets, transportation, okay? And you can use pictograph to represent the data you collected. Do you understand? So what do we mean by pictograph? A pictograph is a way to represent data using pictures or symbols. It helps make information more visual and easier to understand. Okay? So if you collect a data of favorite fruit from different persons, like we have the apple, mango, grape, banana. One of each smiley face means one vote. And how many persons picked apple? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 persons picked apple. How many persons picked mango? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 persons picked mango. How many persons picked grape? 1, 2. 2 persons picked grapes. How many persons picked banana? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 persons pick banana. So you can see that you have used images, pictures to represent your data, right? The data you collected of different people, their favorite fruits, apple, mango, grape, banana. Different persons pick different fruits as their favorite fruits. You represented it using this method. You can use any symbol, okay? It must not necessarily be a smiley face. You can draw human beings to represent your data. You can use objects, okay? This is just an example. Do you understand? Now let's say you want to collect a data on mode of transportation. We have the bus, car, walking, and bicycle. How many persons use the bus? How many persons use car? How many persons walk? How many persons ride bicycle? So you ask around and collect data. In this pictograph, one smiley face represents 4 children. Okay? One smiley face represents 4 children. So let's see how many children use bus. 1, which is 4, right? 4 plus this 4 is 8. 8 plus this is 12. 12 plus this is 16. 16 plus this is 20. 20 plus this is 24. 24 plus this is 28. So 28 children use bus, okay? Remember I said one smiley face represents 4 children. So here is 4 children, this 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 is 4 children. So if you add them together, it's going to give you 28, okay? So 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 again is 12, plus 4 is 16, plus 4 is 20, plus 4 is 24, plus 4 is 28. 28 children use bus. Now let's see how many children use car. Here we have 4. Remember, one smiley face is 4 children. It represents 4 children. This is 4, 8, 12, and 16. 16 children use car. Let's see how many children walk. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. 24 children walk. And how many children use bicycle? 4, 8, 12. So 12 children use bicycle. Okay, so you have represented your data which you collected in a pictograph form. Okay, pictographs are visually engaging, making it fun to learn and understand data. And pictographs simplify complex information and make it easier to interpret, right? So pictograph is used to represent data which you collect. Okay, it can be any symbol you use to represent it. It can be any object you use to represent it. It must not necessarily be a smiley face. Okay, it must not necessarily be that you are collecting data for transport, you are collecting data for fruit. No, you can collect data for anything of your choice. Okay, do you understand? You can collect data of people's favorite pets or different types of pets. Do you understand? Good. So now we're going to be looking at mean, median, and mode. When you collect your data, you can use mean, median, and mode to solve it. Okay, mean is the average. It's adding up all numbers in a set and divide by the total number of values. Okay, it's the average. Then median, when calculating for the median is the middle number, is the middle value. Okay, you first of all arrange the numbers in order from ascending order. Okay, then you find the middle value, the middle number. If there are two middle values, you find their average. When you find their average, that is the median, that is the middle value. Okay, we're going to be looking at some examples to help us understand this better. Then the mode is the number that appears most frequently in a set of data. Let's look at number 1 example. Consider the following set of numbers: 4, 7, 2, 8, 5, 3, 7. We are to find the mean, median, and mode. So first we will look for the mean. Remember what we said the mean is? The mean is the average, right? And to get it, you add all the numbers together divided by the total number, right? The amount of numbers. That is sum of numbers over n. You add all the numbers together: 4 plus 7 plus 2 plus 8 plus 5 plus 3 plus 7. All over, let's count how many numbers we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Over 7. We have 7 numbers here. So you add all these together: 4 plus 7 plus 2 plus 8 plus 5 plus 3 plus 7 is going to give us 36 over 7. 36 divided by 7, using the long division method, you will arrive at this answer. Using your calculator, you will arrive at this answer. This is approximated. Okay, then to get the median of this set of numbers, you first do what? Remember what you said? Arrange it in ascending order from the smallest to the biggest. The smallest number here is 2. You start with 2. The next is 3. You write down 3. Next is 4. You write 4. Next is 5. You write 5. Next is no 6, so it's 7. You write 7. And another 7. You write 7. The last 8. You write 8. So we have arranged our number in ascending order. That is from the smallest to the biggest. Now we are done arranging. We look for the middle number. The middle number is 5. There are 3 numbers after 5 and there are 3 numbers before 5. So the middle number is 5. Okay, so the median of this data set is 5. Now the mode, you remember what we said the mode is? The mode is the most frequently appeared number, and here the number that appeared more is 7, right? 7 appeared twice. It's only 7 that appeared twice, so we pick 7 as our mode. Okay, so we have gotten the mean. The mean is 5.14, the median is 5, and the mode is 7. Do we understand? Let's look at another example. Find the mean, median, and mode of this set of numbers. 6, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7. To get the mean is the average. To get the mean, you add all the set of numbers together divided by the amount of numbers, right? So 6 plus 8 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 divided by how many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So you add everything together divided by 6. So 36, when you add everything, you're going to have 36 over 6. 36 divided by 6 is going to give you 6. Okay? Do you understand? Good. Now to get the median, what do we do first? We arrange in ascending order, right? From the smallest number. The smallest number here is 4. You start with 4. The next is 5. The next is 6. You write 6. The next is 6 again. You write 6. The next 7. And last 8. So you look for the middle number. We have how many numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 numbers here. So it's an even number, so there will be 2 middle numbers. Before this 2, 6 we circled, which is the middle number, there are 2 numbers here and there are 2 numbers here. If we say there are 3 numbers here and there are 3 numbers here, there will not be a middle number, right? So here we take there are 2 numbers at this side, there are 2 numbers at this side. So the middle is these 2 numbers. So what do? We add them together and divide it by 2. So 6 plus 6 divided by 2. 6 plus 6 will give you 12 over 2. 12 divided by 2 is going to give us what? 6. So our answer is 6. Okay? I hope you're not confused. So now for us to get the mode, remember the mode is the number that appeared more, right? So the number that appeared more here is still 6. 6 appeared twice, so 6 is our answer. We write down 6. Okay? Do you understand? Good. Let's look at another example. Here we have considered the set of numbers 11, 8, 4, 8, 4. Find the mean, median, and mode. You remember the process? To get the mean, you add all the numbers divided by the amount of numbers here. So we add all the numbers. 11 plus 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 5. So you add all these together, you are going to have 35 over 5. Okay? 35 divided by 5 is going to give us 7. So we have gotten our mean. Our mean is 7. Now to get the median, we do what? The first step is to arrange, right? In ascending order. The smallest number here is 4, 4, 8, 8, 11. So when you are done arranging, you pick the middle number. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers here. So the middle, we have 1 number as the middle, 2 before this one, 2 before this one. So we have 8 as the middle. So our answer is 8. Now the mode is the number that appeared more, right? Here we have 4, 4, 8, 8. So 4 and 8 appeared together more. So 4 and 8 is our mode. Okay? Do you understand? Good. So this is how you solve for mean, median, and mode. Okay? So today's lesson on everyday statistics, we understood everything we looked at, right? We looked at pictograph and mean, median, and mode. Okay, that is good. So next we're going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we're going to be able to do our assignment, right? It's easy. Okay, that is good.